machine for these clothes will ever really shine. But I got me a man that just don't care if his little darling's got underwear. I know someday I'm gonna be his wife. My life is like a lemon drop, I'm sucking on the bitter to get to the sweet part. I know there are better days ahead. I got thrift store curtains in the windows of my home. I'm paying for a house that the landlord owns. Bought a TV on a credit card. It'll take me 10 years to pay it off, but some fine day I'll be drinking a beer in a big backyard alone, free and clear. Oh, I know there's better days ahead. Whistle it, Randy. So I'll play my hopes and play my dreams just like two coins in a slot machine, saying glory, hallelujah, everything works out fine. My life is like a lemon drop, I'm sucking on the bitter to get to the sweet part. I know there are better days ahead. Lord, I know there are better days ahead.